All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fablades in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I have a little custom right over here. I got the Pena Trapper Custom on the table, and look at this fella. Comes in with a pretty nice padded pouch embroidered right over here. That's your guy right over here. Look at this tiny thing, 3 and a little bit. Let's do this. Look at this. 92 millimeters, hey? That's pretty nice. When you open this fella, it's not that big. Overall, it's 16 centimeters with a 7 centimeters long blade. Really cool, custom made by Enrique Pena. That is a Trapper front flipper knife. It's a liner lock. Micarta scales nicely contoured. Look at this brown micarta, the shield going on, red bolster with black line separating it from the micarta right over here on the scales. Looking good. Titanium liners. These guys are satin, not really chamfered, but not like super sharp, but still you can feel it's not like fully chamfered on the inside. You have a nice contouring of the handles on the outside, of course. Right over here is chamfered as well, so you see, pretty cool. The jimping right over here stands out because, of course, this is a front flipper, so this is snappy. Look at this. This is snappy. Beautiful handle. Really, one of the best little knives, actually. Of the Pena lineup. It's one of my favorites, like Apache and this guy. Yeah, I really like them. There's no skeletonization for the liners on the inside. Look at this. But they're well made. You see that there's like some precision going on right over here. For sure. Lock bar access, not ideal. You have to just jam your finger like that. It's not like, of course, like it keeps the design like extremely nice. I mean, look at the lines, very balanced. I love the flow, so it's good for the look. But of course, you're gonna sacrifice a little bit of real estate for the access of this little lock bar. You can see there's no lock bar insert, but it's fine. It's a liner lock. It's all right. Very nicely done. This area is spectacular, like completely flush. It is a beautiful thing to look at. Look at this. That's really nice. There's no clip, of course. This is a custom, and you only get your back spacer, no lanyard hole, and I love it. It's very nice. It's red and maroon. Probably that's my main gripe. I would have loved like a blanket, like a Mexican blanket, micarta right over here, to be honest. But still, this looks good. Matches well with the back spacer right over here. The blade, I believe, is a CPM 154. If I'm not mistaken. Hand rub satin, has a wonderful jimping, really functional. It's a very cool gentleman's knife. Very nice in the handle, comfortable. You can do some nice food prepping, like small food, of course. Look at this pretty cool swedge right there. Hand rub satin blade with this 20%, I would say, belly going on, and straight edge up to the very unique sharpening choil. For sure, that's not a finger choil, but look at that. Look at the aggressiveness of the jimping. That is fantastic. This is absolutely functional jimping, and this thing is gonna make the knife staying glued to your hand because it's kind of like on the slippery side. But anyways, this thing is pretty cool. There is a Pena logo on the show side, nothing on the back, but it's fine. I mean, it's all right. It's subtle. It's not that bad. Something really cool that this blade has is the hollow grind. This thing is slicey. I love it. It's not like a full hollow. As you can see, there's a little bit of flat right over here. But actually, let's check this thing. 2.92 millimeters. And right behind the edge, we're going to go in millimeters. Today's guys, 0.48. I don't know if it means anything to you, but it's easily convertible into inches. And I mean, the overall, jimping affair going on over here is pretty nice and contributes very well, like both to the grip when open and the grip when to deploy the blade. Look at this. You can even do a slow roll and a slow close. Look at this. You know, look at this. Slow roll and slow close, because the jimping is well placed. So very, very cool, and it's gonna add some fidgety to the action. Look at this guy. So let's actually check the sound first, right? Because very unobtrusive gentleman's knife. Look at this. Kinda, you can even do this, but that's very easy to do. Of course, this is super easy. You can do the 5-finger challenge. You can do like, I mean, whatever. Not like that, I'm just kidding. But still, thumb, it's preferred, and index also works fantastically. This is a very, very unobtrusive. That was the loudest. This is the quietest. That's the loudest I can fire this one. And when you close it, ooh, it's like a little hummingbird kind of yawning. Look at this. Love it. So really, really cool sound going on this fella. The weight, I was saying, is very, very beautiful. Because it's like 58 grams. This thing is gonna disappear in your pocket. It's not gonna bother you, like, for sure. The grip is very good. There's, I mean, just a sharpness right over here inside of the liners, but it's the grip is good. You get tiny bit of flex, not like super strong, but still, it for the size, the thickness is very, very sturdy. Feels put well together. The tolerances, the gaps are crazy. I mean, it's well put together. There's no gaps. I mean, no misalignments. Everything. I mean, the micarta looks very well made. Takes a lot of time to make this stuff, I believe, and it's. I mean, fit and finish is spot on, guys. Like, really, really cool. The action, of course, is very nice, very light blade, but still you can drop the blade like that, and there's no blade play. So it's nicely tuned, but still it's it has like very, very tiny bearings, but still this thing, look at this. It is very, very pleasant. I don't know how many times I said very, but yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video, because this is a really, really cool one. Not very, very cool one, but there you have it. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.